Good evening, everybody. This is Corey from the Welcome Home team here at Remax. Today we are live a little bit later than normal and on an off day, but we are here at the Networking for Good event. We are at the Restore in Westwood. If you've never been here, you need to come to the Restore. It is an amazing place. There's furniture, as you can see behind me. There's furniture, there's fixtures, plates, cups, glasses, art, everything that's going on. But tonight we're doing an event called Networking for Good. So we got, community together, lots of donations, lots of gift baskets, which Rich is actually giving out right now, calling numbers, hoping I get one. So we're there, we're doing some networking, got some great vendors, some great food. So we're just gonna walk around for a second, see what sort of prizes we have, see the amazing food that we've gotten that's been donated, and also prepared on site by Chef Paige Regano. We'll talk to her and tag her in a little bit here. But if you've never been to the Restore, you need to come. Come down Carver Drive in Westwood. We're going to walk around, see some things right now, talk to Maria quick, and thank you guys for tuning in. Here we go. So as you're walking around, there's just an amazing amount of things. So they set up little vignettes. Glasses, there's wall art. It's all very inexpensive and it all goes to Habitat for Humanity. Everything that's here has been donated. Dining room table. 6 chairs, 2 leaves, and the table. $235. There's just some amazing values here. There's a lot of sofas. Almost everything is for sale. You'll never come here and find the same stuff twice. It turns over. There's so much community outreach. There's so many people that are supporting this place. You really have to come and see it. So let's get to the event. Excuse me, ladies. We've had some food trays. How are you? So food was all brought in and donated by a lot of local shops. Wine.
And Christy made this, by the way. Everybody, Christy made this.
Oh, look. Christy from Cleanscape. Hey, there we go. Another winner. She also prepared this wonderful table over here. Showed everybody how to do it. We had Lisa Harris from Organize with Lisa here. All the food was donated by local shops. We had the charcuterie board was put together by Chef Paige Regano. Wonderful. So yeah, we want to thank everybody for being here. Maria, do you have a second? You have a second to come talk to me? Say hi.
Hi. We're so excited to be here.
We are.
Were you talking about?
Oh yeah, I was talking about the Networking for Good. I was talking about all the food that was being here, the chef. Rich is out there like an auctioneer doing his thing, giving away all the...
I got sent away from that because I was trying to grab things too quickly, and it's like, go away, Maria.
Go away.
Go eat something.
So talk a little bit about our sponsors. Like, who is here to help us?
We have so many amazing sponsors. So, Westie's Storage. Dr. Grace Go from 195 Dental. So excited to have you on board. Thank you for all the great prizes. Surf Pro.
321.
Sorry, there's some minutes. 321. Is that my ticket?
I shouldn't have done this when we were all pulling tickets.
Apple Rose Yoga. Mark Richards from Fairway.
Your yoga teacher?
Yeah,
Got
Apple
her?
Rose Yoga.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah,
Yep.
absolutely. Cecilia Bessler from A Simpler Life Now. Lisa Harris from Organize with Lisa. Jennifer Polidori from Merrill Lynch. Christy Very from Cleanscape Construction.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Who else do we have? Anita De Silva from State Farm
There you go.
Insurance.
We're going to tag everybody, or as many people as we can on Facebook, so that everybody
because
sees
there's
it.
just so many great prizes. Great Patty Rizzo, Raymore and Flanagan.
471.
Anyway,
That's about it.
I think. Gosh,
If we forgot anybody, we
Erin
appreciate
Hoffman.
you. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, we do. Erin Hoffman from Certified Financial Services, January from Valley National Bank. I think I got everybody.
If we forgot anybody, we thank you anyway for supporting the Networking for Good event at the Restore.
Yeah, great.
Did-
Hi, Bob.
Did you?
That's my high school
did,
boyfriend.
did you win it? Did you win anything yet?
No.
I didn't either.
It's all right.
We're gonna win something,
I won a
maybe.
beautiful night with a lot of great people.
We're going to wrap it up there because that was just amazing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know it's a little outside of our realm, but here we are. We're Networking for Good. Thank you so much for being with us. Enjoy your night.
Thanks.